How to create presets for moody dark tones. First of all, open the Lightroom Presets app and select a preset that closely matches the dark and moody vibe you want to create. Next, open the preset in Lightroom and apply it to a sample photo. Adjust settings like exposure, shadows, highlight, contrast, temperature, saturation and clarity to enhance the dark tones while maintaining rich detail. Fine-tune the blacks and whites to achieve the perfect moody effect and make subtle color adjustments to emphasize the mood you want in your photos. Once you are satisfied with the look, save the edited settings as a custom preset. You can now apply this preset to all your photos to achieve a consistent moody dark tone aesthetic effortlessly. Now you know how to create presets for moody dark tones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.